The victory didn't come easy when it came. Even as parliamentarians debated Anna's three demands, the talks nearly broke down when Team Anna came out of the meeting and said that the government had backtracked and insisted on voting after the debate. Hectic parleys followed after that, and while eventually the government agreed to a voice vote, the surprise twist and the several twists over the last 1 week clearly indicate that there is a trust deficit still between Team Anna and the government.
पिछले 43 वर्षों से ये बिल हिचकोले खा रहा। ये सदन इतिहास रचेगा।
The parliament witnessing a historic debate.
बल्कि ये सदन हिंदुस्तान को एक प्रभावी और लोकपाल, एक मजबूत लोकपाल इस देश को देने का काम करेगा।
The government and the opposition aware that time was running out.
Around the same time, Team Anna met with government representatives. While it was being deliberated that along with the debate in Parliament, a resolution would be in sight, thereon suddenly came a surprise breakdown.
Now we are being told that no, there won't be any resolution, there won't be any voting. This is not what we had understood at all. And if this is the case, actually this is not going to be very helpful or very meaningful at all.
मुझे लगता है ये धोखाधड़ी है सरासर। मतलब एक बार कुछ बोलते हैं, अगले दिन फिर मुकर जाते हैं। 3 बार हो चुका है पिछले 4 दिन में। पहले प्रणब मुखर्जी माने, अगले दिन मुकर गए। फिर प्रधानमंत्री ने कुछ स्पीच दी, राहुल गांधी उस पर मुकर गए। अब कल इन्होंने कुछ बोला रात को बुला के, और अब मुकर गए उसके ऊपर।
Navika, what's going on? This new twist. I don't know if you got the details of it.
Yes, Sarnab, just getting the details of what Prashant Bhushan has just said, and it goes completely contrary to the spirit that we saw in Parliament this morning.
Within minutes, an assured compromise was being termed an alive crisis.
Totally new twist has emerged, and Team Anna is saying we have been cheated.
One really thought that today the mood will not be of a confrontation, but it seems that nothing positive seems to be coming out.
Hectic meetings began.
And therefore there is a meeting going on to resolve this entire matter. That meeting is going on between Mr. Arun Jaitley and Mr. Pranab Mukherjee.
And then at 5:20 p.m.
announcing after 340 hours of non-stop live coverage on the story that a resolution has been achieved, that Team Anna has said we are okay with the voice vote, we accept the voice vote. For the first time in this non-stop coverage, we announce here on Times Now that Team Anna has accepted the voice vote.
The resolution finally came in the form of a voice vote. Over the last 1 week, we saw talks progressing from breakthrough to breakdown at least 4 times. And on each occasion, both sides blamed the other for backtracking and misquoting. The lack of trust on either side was more than evident. The question is, if for such an important issue, a little more trust and a little more patience could have been shown, then the entire process could have been expedited beyond the 12 days.
Bureau Report, Times Now.